Hello, my name is Molly Meterson, and welcome to Fun with Psychology. Today, we'll be learning about perception.
This is an example of texture gradient, which is a graduated change in the texture of the visual field whereby objects with finer, less detailed textures are perceived as more distant. You can see the texture of this really well, all the way over here. You can't really see it. This is an example of linear perspective, where objects closer to the point at which two lines appear to converge are perceived as being at a greater distance. Motion parallax.
This is an example of brightness contrast. As you can see, this blue box looks darker than this blue box, but they are actually the same color.
Interposition is a depth cue whereby closer objects block one's view of things farther away. She's farther away than I am, so I'm blocking her.
Infants show great interest in face-like patterns.
Face. 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 Relative size. Larger objects appear closer than smaller ones, but they are next to each other.
Height in the visual field. Objects higher in the visual field are perceived as more distant. She is up there, higher in the visual field, so she seems like she's farther away.
Like perception, I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. One is far and one is close, but they're the same size. Oh, are we still going?
Hello, my name is Molly Meterson, and welcome to Fun with Psychology. Today, we'll be learning about parts of the brain. No, we're not.
Okay.
Like perception, I cannot. It doesn't match though.